whenever we win, whenever we lose, there's always like comments about us, about our team. So regardless, we will stay as a team, we will play as a team. And actually, I hope they understand that this is a different stage. This is a lot different stage because yun nga, hindi naman din mag-aaksaya ng panahon yung mga international team to visit and play in this Champions League kung hindi sila contender lahat. So for us, we will add that on our learning experience. Yeah. So, hindi naman kapag natalo ka, wala kang matututunan eh. Dapat, kapag natalo ka, you acknowledge. You acknowledge what happened and then you accept it. Move forward. Yun din naman yun eh. Kasi, yun nga, sabi namin, ang Petrogas, pag natalo, alam natin yan, magbabounce back yan. So we did. We did it today. And I'm proud of my team.